stormy and it is very, very cold. The wind is very rough. I have got two shrubs, very, very stunning views, and it is very difficult to judge which one is better than the other one. Flowers here, thousands, and they're very tiny and very, very cute. Look at the color combination. It's probably about 2-3 millimeters across, and now you decide which one is better. Look at that. Here are the honeybees. So many bees, because it's a favorite color for honeybees and all the other pollinators. It has also got a nice smell, something very close to oregano. And I'm very glad that these the purple flowers are in full bloom and they're inviting honeybees, because I have got fruit trees as well, which I have protected over there, far over there, and that's my mango, which is in full bloom, and I'm very happy because the bees are going to go to that tree and they will pollinate all my flowers. And here is mulberry. Hundreds of them, thousands. Look at that. Close view of this.